Charlie 22. Give me the taser. After the taser, go in, go right behind. Right.
Come up and get tased. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind.
Get up. Grab a leg, grab a leg. Grab a leg. You're breaking my finger, stop.
Stop resisting that.
I'm not resisting anymore.
What, coach?
All right, dude, you're breaking my arm. All right, big boy.
Ready?
Ready for the shot? I'm not moving.
You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Yep.